Oh, ooga booga. Go around. If I wasn't wearing jeans, I would totally do that. How do you feel this morning?
Erg.
Erg. Is that cold or tired or?
Tired.
Tired?
It's early.
That's
My
true.
hair's not even dry.
So the goal today is I have a TB test I need to get my results for because I'm doing a special photography field trip in Santa Cruz where I'm going to be working with one of my old high school photo teachers, and I need to get that in order to do it. And also I'm hoping to get the Subaru back today from the dealership because it's having issues and we're getting that fixed. So it's why we're walking right now to urgent care, just down the street. And maybe we'll go to Dutch Bros, you know? Maybe we'll, I don't know, go to Wendy's or something. How do you feel about Wendy's?
I can't eat anything at Wendy's.
How do you feel about Dutch Bros? Well, no, it's probably gonna get Dutch Bros today. Later, we'll be back. You want some Dutch Bros later?
Yes.
Yes. We'll be back. Here we are. I've been at this for like 2 weeks now.
Huh?
I've been at this for like 2 weeks now.
Yeah.
Yep. So I've been informed by this lady that I probably am not going to be allowed to record in there, which is totally fair. I'm going to put this away and I'll see you guys later. Bye. Hi, honey. So I'm pretty confident we just had like the best Denny's breakfast ever. She had an omelet, I had a pot roast melt. That was really good. Cheese pool is amazing. What did you think?
It was great.
Honestly, really good. Small Denny's on McHenry here. Yeah, so it's a 56-minute walk to go get my car at the Subaru dealership. They didn't call us yet. Loud. Oh, they're opening Hustler Hollywood. We should go there. Anyway, we're gonna walk back to the house and charge up our phones and then see what else happens. Yay. Okay, so we got a phone call that Scoob is ready for us. So we're gonna go pick him up. It wasn't too terribly expensive, which is nice. So we're gonna go down to Subaru and I'm on like a little bit of a personal journey. I wanna get some panning photography shots of cars going down the road because it's like the perfect place to do it. So wish me luck. Wait. Scoob! Scoob! Yeah. Alright, baby. Go ahead and hop in.
That means that we probably have to get that fixed, dude.
The Subaru lives! The Subaru lives! We are back! We're gonna go thrift a little bit, see if there's anything, but Scoob's returned!